Today I'm very happy to show you we are working with top most developer who has already architect Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah. Same building is now is a architect top most luxurious villa in Dubai. So please be on video. We will show you one by one. See, this is the building architecture, building front of view, and this is that I will show you. This is the architects. We are working with that developer. A world design around you. Here is a structure with what you will find in this video in this building. So mountain, the cave, retreat, shore, valley, oasis. See, oasis of that picture, the location of the valley. See how it looks like, very nice, and it's shore. It is wonderful location and perfect peak whatever you are looking in luxury. The cave you will see in your luxury villa apartment. It is very beautiful. Mountain, you'll see how it looks like. Available service included in this apartment: housekeeping, laundry, deep cleaning, and sustainable furniture repairing, wellness, and restaurants. It's more than 8. We'll start another. We'll kick. This is this is our company logo. So you can contact us if you have any query, doubt in this building, and to details. So we will show you each and everything. So please, hope so you will send me a detail with, I will contact with you. So this is, I have already show you. This is the front of your building, luxurious villa. And second one is, this is a outside of view. And this is the, he's a architect, was already architect for that Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and much more. If you'd like to know more about this, so you can Google and search them. He has more than 60 years of work experience in the same development. This is the view of their building. This is architects we already explained. A car collection paradise where motion meets purpose. A world of energy. See how it looks like. A playground of life made for all, where your world awaits. This is Wedney. We show kitchen how it looks like. See primary suites, signature pavilions. This is very nice. If you feel like this is very natural of that, how it looks like, wonderful. These are for those who seeks an extraordinary exclusive amenities. See, this is that your bill, your luxury villa is here nearby. That, see Burj Khalifa, or Dubai Opera, and Sheikh Zayed Road and Dubai Canal. If you'd like to travel with car, you can go within 8 minutes to Burj Khalifa, Dubai International Airport 17 minutes, and Palm Jumeirah 26 minutes, Dubai Marina 27 minutes. All facilities and location nearby you. This is in heart of Dubai. So and I will show you payment plan. So please be on. This is the floor architects, 4 bed, 4.5 bed. There is a unit number. You can go whatever you like. I will show you in the a square feet, total square feet. I will go fast. You will see in another tab. 3 bed. How it's architect. This is the garden view in your villa. See, this is a 3 and 5 bed residency. 3 bed there are total of 89. 4 bed there are 51 bed. 5 bedroom there are 6. And canal view 28, city view 61, number of pavilion 11, number of without pavilion 78, floor range 4 to 41. Area, if you talk about that area, 4,000. This is a very big square feet. Outdoor square feet 2,000. This is you can see how it's square feet, very big. Average of total size 6,683. If you talk about pricing, here is the pricing. 5,000 square feet 33. Average total price 8.99, and price range 24 32, same. And with another one is uh, boldly unexpected away inspiring by design. Sumit, Cobb, Valley, Shore, Oasis, Cave. You'll find everything in this luxury villa, top most luxury villa. And here, this is the type of bed: 3 bed, 4 bed, 5 bed, penthouse, and sky villa. Sky villa is only one, which is the square feet more than 25,000 square feet area, very very big. And another one is 9,117, which is penthouse. This is also very big area. I'm talking about another. This is the security areas, and this is a payment terms. 60/40, you can pay on first time reservation 10%, up 15% SPA, and 5% 6 month after date of the SPA, and 10% 30% on the construction time, 10% on the construction time, and in the last 40% you will pay after completion. This is the architects of that building. See, you can how it looks like, very nice. This is a top most luxury villa in Dubai. This is the location. See, everything is nearby that location. Please get in touch here. We will explain, we will take on call and give a meeting virtually, and I will show you the location, each and everything. I will show you until you will find that flat in your name. See, already company created this Burj Khalifa and many more, so no need to worry about that. Here is